For the last few years I've been cleaning my pool with, well, one of these things. Just skimming off like dead insects and bits of moss that have fallen in. And what I wanted was something to automatically help me clean the pool. The reason I chose the Intex skimmer is mostly because it was really cheap and it was compatible with my pool. There are others you can sort of cut holes in your pool. I didn't want to start building support for it, these other skimmers. So let's jump straight into getting it set up. I'm going to put the skimmer hose and adapter to one side. This is the main part of the skimmer. The skimmer basket and floating cover. Water comes in through the top, but there are also vents at the bottom. Some people, if they've got a low powered pump, will actually try to increase suction by using gaffer tape or duct tape to the bottom and cover these holes. But I think that's a bad idea. It allows your skimmer to suck up from the bottom as well as from the top of the water. Next, for this pool, we need the frame hook and depth adjuster. And they just click together. They just slide onto the skimmer. Fasten the screw enough that it doesn't fall off. You're going to need to adjust it later. Now we can attach it to the pool, though it would have made more sense to attach the hose first. Now I have to remove the skimmer to be able to attach the hose. Looking good so far. Now we need to attach the hose adapter to the inlet of the pool. What I hadn't noticed about the Summer Waves pool is that the inlet is actually a single piece of plastic, and there is no way to attach them together. The Intex and Bestway pool inlets are called threaded strainers. They are bigger and have the ability to unscrew. This is the part that you need in order to attach this skimmer to this pool. Then you can attach the outside to your pump as normal. A lot of pumps that come with the pool will not have enough water flow to create enough suction on this skimmer. Make sure your pump can do more than 1,000 gallons or 3,800 litres per hour. Otherwise your skimmer won't work and basically the floaty bits will just float. It won't pull down and suck in water, which is why people tape up the bottom of it to force the suction down. So if you've got the basic pump, the 3300, then stay clear or upgrade your pump. Now that I have a suitable pump connected, I can sit back and enjoy a cleaner pool surface.